Hi all, welcome to the workshop Doodle Moves. I'm Smithaa and today I'm going to show you how to make an animated disc. This disc was invented in 18th century and it is called as phenakistoscope. You can make this disc with help of basic stationery available in your house and we need simple stuff. So let's make our own. Let's see how to create our animated disc. So you need to take a drawing compass and on the paper anchor your compass in the center of the page and draw a big circle touching the edges of the paper. So let's do it. Let me mark and let me see how I can do. Make it little bigger. A circle should be at least 8 to 10 inch wide. So I got this area. Now I am going to draw this circle. We need to create one more circle inside. Say around 1 or 2 inch depending on what size you are looking for. I am leaving 1.5 inch. Yeah, around 2 inch. Yes, this is coming to around 2 inch and I'm just marking it here. And now I'm going to create one more circle inside. So this is how your animation does look like. Now once you made the circles, you can use scale and we need to divide it into 8 parts. So you can use a pencil and let's divide it into 8 parts, or you can also divide it into 12 parts. These parts will represent frames where we'll do animation. So let me do it. Because this is A4 size paper, so I'm dividing into 8 parts. If you are taking A3 size or bigger paper, you can divide it into 12 parts. Now let's cut our disc. So I'm going to use scissor and I'm going to cut this disc. Now next step is create slits here. So you can use scale to just draw some lines here next to this separating line and you can cut it. So now we have divided this lines here and we are going to cut to create slits. I have the one here. We have to make it slits like this. You can take it this way and take it out. So here this animated disc is ready. Let's take a eraser tip pencil and we need a board pin. Take this board pin on the center of this anchor mark. Pin it here. And now on the back, pin this on this eraser. Now, once you're sure that it's spinning nicely, stop it take out this board pin slowly and let's start doodling on it. You can doodle the way you want. You can create patterns, you can create lines, you can create characters, and you can color it. But you have to make sure that whatever you draw on this, it should be a cyclical movement or clockwise movement, or your drawing should depict 8 steps in clock. As I like colorful discs, so I have made this one. I start with a leaf. I'm going to turn this leaf in other drawing. Now I'm going to turn it more. I'm going to turn it more. And now I'm just going to make like this, like this, like this, and now at the end I just want to finish it with something like equal size of this one. So you can create movement like this. So when you move, it is going to show some action, something like that. This side also we can make some lines for moving. So let's draw a simple box in a different shape. So this is a rectangle I am drawing. Now rectangle will keep changing its shape like this. Make sure to maintain its width and height. Now the rectangle is going to be square here. Rectangle is going to be straight here. This and this frame you can match to show a nice animation. Again, now this is turning this way. So here it will turn now this side. Use 2 pencil and 2 board pins and make our disc ready. Okay, so now even this one is ready. Can you see the movement here? You can see that it's moving and you can already see animation. Once your disc is ready, you have to look animation in mirror through this slits. So this is how you have to see your animation. Wow, my disc is now ready and I can play it. So make your own and enjoy your animated disc. Bye.